Hello again, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we provide science-backed health tips to help you live your best life. Today's video is the second video of a three-part series in which we discuss one of the most important organs in your body, your liver. In the first video, which you can find in the description below, we talked about what the role of the liver is and what daily habits could damage it. Today, we will go a step further and discuss some science-backed ingredients which have the ability to prevent liver damage and even promote liver healing. Stick around to learn about these powerful substances, where to find them, and how to incorporate them into your daily life. As usual, we take a stance against misinformation by providing science-backed content with references and encouraging discussion. This said, please remember that if you have any underlying medical conditions, you must consult a doctor who is familiar with your unique personal medical history. All right, let's get started. Our first liver champions are flavonoids. Flavonoids are powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. These compounds are found in a variety of foods and have numerous health benefits. You can find plenty of flavonoids in berries, such as blueberries and strawberries. In addition, flavonoids are also prevalent in citrus fruits and apples, but interestingly, also in onions. To incorporate these liver champs in your diet, consider preparing fresh fruit smoothies and incorporating some onions into your cooking habits. Please be aware that you'll need to use whole fresh fruits, not juices, especially not from concentrate. Juices can contain high levels of fructose, but without the adjacent fruit fiber. This can make the sugar metabolism go unregulated. This is why it's much better to prepare a fresh smoothie using whole fruits. You may also be happy to know that there is one very delicious food that is packed with powerful flavonoids and antioxidants. We're talking about dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains 70% or more cocoa plant content and less additives and sugars. This literally makes it a healthy plant-based food choice. You're welcome. You can also obtain plenty of flavonoids from certain drinks, such as green tea, black tea, and red wine when consumed in moderation, of course. Flavonoids help protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. These free radicals are produced when the liver metabolizes toxins that you get exposed to. Free radicals can cause oxidative stress, which is harmful to all cells in your body. So it's very important to boost your liver with antioxidants to extend its longevity. Flavonoids also reduce inflammation, which is crucial for preventing liver diseases, such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Start your day with a berry smoothie or add apple slices to your breakfast oatmeal or yogurt. Enjoy a citrus salad with oranges and lemons. For a midday snack, have some dark chocolate or sip on green tea between meals. Incorporating flavonoids into your diet is easy, and your liver will be most thankful. Next on our liver champion list, we have quinones. Quinones have hepatoprotective properties, which means they can specifically shield liver cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. You can find them in various vegetables, such as carrots, beets, sweet potatoes, and dark leafy greens like spinach and kale. Quinone supplements can also be found in health stores, often in combination with other antioxidants for enhanced benefits. The most important role of quinones is their support in liver detoxification processes. The liver metabolizes toxins which you get exposed to. However, once this is done, it may need some extra help to flush those toxins out. Quinones help the liver to effectively remove toxin byproducts from your body. They enhance the liver's ability to manage oxidative stress, thus providing liver cells with a shield from free radicals. To incorporate quinones into your daily life, include carrots and beets in your salads, or roast them with olive oil and herbs based on personal taste preferences. Enjoy roasted or mashed sweet potatoes as a side dish. Incorporate spinach and kale into smoothies and salads, or even sauté them as part of your meals. These vegetables not only provide liver support, but are also very rich in vitamins and micronutrients, which can boost your overall health. Next on our liver detox list are some interesting ingredients called lignans. Lignans are compounds that act as antioxidants and have been shown to protect liver cells from damage. Lignans reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver, which are key factors in the development of liver diseases. Lignans also support hormonal balance, which is beneficial for overall liver function and can help in the prevention of liver-related hormonal issues. Lignans are primarily found in seeds and grains, such as flax seeds, sesame seeds, and whole grains. You can also find them in vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Flaxseed oil can be added to smoothies and other beverages for an extra boost in texture. Sesame seeds, on the other hand, can be quite delicious when used in salad dressings or in the form of tahini. Don't even get me started on whole grains, which not only boost liver health, but also heart health. Whole grains like oats, wheat, barley and quinoa can make delicious and healthy bakery products, breakfast cereals, and even salads. And don't forget that Brussels sprouts and broccoli are also quite rich in lignans, so make sure to incorporate them into your meal preps. Now let's talk about phenols and phenolic acids. Phenols and phenolic acids are known for their strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds protect liver cells from oxidative damage and significantly reduce inflammation, thus supporting the liver's ability to detoxify and process nutrients effectively. They are widely available in various fruits, such as grapes, apples, and berries, along with vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Red wine and green tea are also very rich in phenols and phenolic acids, but we also have a special surprise for you. A special drink that is also rich in those liver champions is coffee, when consumed in moderation, of course. To get your daily phenols, include a variety of fruits in your diet. Enjoy a cup of coffee or green tea in the morning or afternoon. Snack on nuts and seeds throughout the day, which also helps manage your appetite between meals. Nuts and seeds are also excellent additions to salads. Who would have thought that liver-healthy foods can be so delicious? Now, we'd like to mention some less popular liver champs called alginate oligosaccharides. These compounds are types of sugars which affect your metabolism in a way that fights inflammation, protects the liver, but also supports gut health. This crosstalk between liver and gut health ensures a multi-layer metabolic support for most optimal nutrient absorption, with minimal production of free radical byproducts. These special sugar compounds have been researched for their ability to reduce liver injury and even promote liver healing. You can find them in seaweed and seaweed-based products like nori, kelp, and wakame. Incorporate seaweed into your diet with sushi rolls, seaweed salads, or seaweed snacks. They not only add a unique flavor to your meals, but also provide substantial health benefits. If this does not sound tasty to you, don't worry at all. You can find alginate oligosaccharides in capsule or powder form supplements, often marketed for gut and liver health. We've covered a lot of ground today, from flavonoids and quinones to the lesser-known lignans and alginate oligosaccharides. The interesting part is, we're not even done yet. We have a full list of liver detox ingredients, but we don't want it to become overwhelming. Stay tuned for the third video in this liver detox series, where we'll talk about even more science-backed liver detox ingredients. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you and appreciate your support. Stay healthy and liver-friendly. See you in the next video.